I'm an attorney and I've been researching skincare on my own for over 40 years. Hello, I'm skin-centric Alli Drew. Finally, physicians on YouTube are telling women to use estradiol on their faces. I've been using estradiol on my face for over 15 years. I'm an attorney and I've been researching skincare on my own for over 40 years. These three products, estradiol, tretinoin, a light moisturizer, and of course a sunscreen, are the only products you need for great skin. So, how do you use these products? It's so simple, and that's what this video is all about. So the first night, use your moisturizer and use your tretinoin the way you usually do. And that's it. Personally, I use this light moisturizer, this Cetaphil, and then I use tretinoin. And that's it. I use the tretinoin everywhere. I use it over my lip, around my eyes, and on my forehead. And that's it for night one. Very simple. On the second night, I use the estradiol all over my face. I use it everywhere, around my eyes, over my lip, on my neck, on my forehead, everywhere. And then, because it's not very moisturizing, I use the Cetaphil over the estradiol. Just a little bit, just enough to make it a little bit moisturizing. And then if you want to use tretinoin over the Cetaphil, you can. Personally, I just spot treat with the tretinoin on the second night. I'll use it maybe over my lip, around my eyes, on my forehead, and on my neck. Or I won't use the tretinoin at all. And that's it, those two routines. Night one, your regular tretinoin. Night two, the estradiol. Very simple, right? Now, you can get your estradiol from your gynecologist, have them write you a prescription, but because you're using it off-label, your insurance isn't going to pay for it. So it's going to cost you about $85. And that's it, $85. You're just going to use a little bit on your face, and that's pretty much it. It's very, very simple. I am on hormone replacement therapy, HRT, so I do get my hormones checked about every 3 to 4 months. I get my blood tested just to make sure my hormones are okay, and I've never had a problem. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comments section, and I'm also going to refer you to my video, 60 is the new 40. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. And remember, being kind makes us the most beautiful. Thank you so much for watching.